Hey guys, so the more I know about artificial intelligence, the less I study, the less I read the very complex papers about architectures, about training AI models, and the more I read about the basic concepts, okay? And about the real life applications and challenges that people have. And so I keep focusing on how do I explain difficult concepts on an easy manner. And the whole purpose of this channel is actually to do exactly that. And recently I came to this book, to Harvard Business Review on artificial intelligence, and right on the first chapter, which is the business of artificial intelligence, what it can and cannot do for your organization, they mention something that I find a reality, that I find is true, and that is, I would say, a limiting belief of most companies when they come to AI, which is thinking that they need a massive amount of data and a massive infrastructure to leverage AI. And the reality that we see is that the amount of data that you need to leverage AI, we see it's constantly decreasing, especially now with the advent of generative AI models, of large language models. Now you can actually benefit of AI, I will say, almost with zero data, right? Also because ChatGPT knows a lot of general purpose knowledge, and very small companies now can benefit of AI, even if they don't have a massive infrastructure. The way I like to present this is, yes, you need like a massive amount of data to be your market leader, and the market leaders, so the guys with the more data will be the market leaders, but still, if you have some data, you will be able to make better decisions that you are making now, because now you are making decisions out of your guts, out of your beliefs and misconceptions, and not out of evidence. So the data that you have there already has some value, and the AI models tend to converge to requiring less data, and the infrastructure is much more accessible now with cloud services than it was before. And this is proof. For example, the other day we built like a model to improve customer recurrence for a B2B company that only had like 300 customers on their historical database. So not many data points. Of course, each customer paid a lot of money because it's one of the top companies in their domain, but it's a B2B basic industry, so there are not many customers and not much data. But still, we were able to create a good model to predict who each customers were going to have a recurrence on their purchase, and which should be incentivized, and which we're going to stop buying on the next period. Only with 200 customers on the historical base, we were better than a human identifying which customers they should call the next period. So if you want to use AI and you don't have much data, stop having that limiting belief that AI is not for you just because you don't have a massive data set. You can leverage AI, you can benefit from AI, and most likely you could be making better decisions that you are making nowadays using AI. You just need to play it with care, and of course don't expect massive performance and massive personalization on the decisions if you have a limited database. Okay, so if you want to leverage AI, click on the link in the description and let's talk to see if AI is for you and how you can benefit from it. Bye bye.